Welcome students, I am Praveen Moreshwar Kandilkar and today I am going to explain you about the logarithmic table. We know that logarithmic table is a very powerful tool which can be used in spite of calculator to attempt the numericals and to solve them very speedily. So how to use this log table as a scientific calculator for attempting the numericals that we'll discuss in today's video. So without wasting any more time, let us start the video. So first of all, I would like to explain you about some information about the logarithmic table. The logarithmic table is a book actually which can be made of this type. It's either which contains some numericals, formulas in it, as well as logarithmic and anti-logarithmic tables. The log table was first discovered by the scientist John Napier, and it can be used as a calculator to attempt a difficult numerical even. Let us learn how to use this logarithmic table to attempt the problems. Okay. So this video is specially designed for the students of 11th and 12th standard which cannot be used calculator in their examinations. So first of all, we'll learn how to use or how to obtain the logarithm of a number. Actually, the logarithm of a number is made up of two parts. Number one, characteristics, and number two, mantissa. Actually, the logarithm of a number is the sum of characteristics and mantissa. You can see this. Then the question arises, what is characteristics? Actually, the characteristics is the part of the logarithm which can be obtained from the given number itself. If the given number is an integer, then count the number of digits that appear before the decimal point and subtract 1 from it to get the characteristics of that number. Okay. On the other hand, if the number is a fractional number, then you have to add 1. You have to add 1 to number of zeros that are present in the number after the decimal point to get the characteristics of that number. The mantissa is then obtained from the logarithmic table book. The characteristics and mantissa are then added together to get the logarithm of a number. This can be well explained from the following example. Consider the example, logarithm of 154.2 is to be calculated. The decimal number given whose log is to be calculated is 154.2 here. Here, the before point there are 3 decimal digits, and hence we have to subtract 1 from that 3 to get the characteristics as 2. So characteristics of the given number is 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and its mantissa can be obtained from the logarithmic table. So let us go to logarithmic table. The mantissa can be obtained as 15चा 4 मध्ये 2चा mean difference. So here let us go to the number 15. Here we can see this is number 15. I hope you can see it properly. 15चा 4 मध्ये this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this number is 1875, but it is a fractional number. So 15चा 4 मध्ये 0.1875. This number is not a integer, it is a fractional number. So you have to put a decimal point before it. So 15चा 4 मध्ये how much? 0.1875. And you have to add a mean difference of the next number, that is 2 in it, because the given number is 154.2. So 15चा 4 मध्ये 2चा mean difference. So the 2चा mean difference is 6. So you have to add 6 to 0.1875. So answer is 0.1881. So mantissa of the given number is 0.1881. You can see here mantissa is 0.1875 plus 6, that is 0.1881. Now we will add the characteristics with the mantissa to get the logarithm of a number. So ultimately logarithm of 154.2 is equal to 2.000 or 40 plus 0.1881. So it is ultimately 2.1881. So dear students, with the help of this formula, we can find the log of any number. The idea can be more clear by considering more examples. So let us consider a few examples. So here, consider the following question. The question is find the logarithm of the following. The first is 2.712. It is a mixed number and the number of decimal digits present before the point is 1, that is 2. 2 means it's only one digit. So characteristics of this number can be obtained as 1 minus 1. You have to subtract 1 because it is a non-zero digit. So characteristics is equal to 1 minus 1 and it is 0. And for as far as mantissa is concerned, here we have to go in the log table book. 27 चा 1 मध्ये 2 चा mean difference. So let us go to log table book here. 27 चा 1 मध्ये 2 चा mean difference. Here it is. This is 27, you can see it. This is 0, this is 1. So 27 चा 1 मध्ये 0.4330 and we have to add the mean difference of 2. So here 27 चा 1 मध्ये 0.4330 and mean difference of 2 is 3 here. You can see this is 3. So 0.433, 0.4333 you can say. So here we have seen 0 is the characteristics added with the 0.4333. So answer is 0.4333. Therefore logarithm of 2.712 is 0.4333. So this is the method that is by which we can find the logarithm of the given number. The next is logarithm of 14.09. Example number 2. So here there are two decimal digits before the decimal point. So 2 minus 1, the characteristics is 1. So characteristics is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. And the mantissa is calculated as per the log table as 14 चा 0 मध्ये 9 चा mean difference. You can check it from the log table. 14 चा 0 मध्ये comes out to be 0.1461 and it is added with the 9 चा mean difference, that is 27. So ultimate answer is 0.1488 and this is added with the characteristics. So logarithm of 14.09 is 1.1488. Okay, it should be 1.1488. You can see this. Third answer is 0.00692. Third problem is 0.00692. So dear students, let us solve this logarithm of 0.00692. It is quite different problem. It is the number given is not a integer number or a mixed number, but it is a fractional number. So there are two zeros after the decimal point. We have to add 1 to the number of zeros present after the decimal point, and that means here there are two zeros, so 2 plus 1. So we get the answer is 3, and but this 3 is negative 3, which can be written as bar 3. So characteristics of the number is bar 3, and because we have to add 1 in the two zeros. Hmm. Two zeros means two digits. How many zeros are present after the point? Then mantissa can be obtained from the log table 69चा 2 मध्ये. As there is no mean difference here. So 69चा 2 मध्ये the mantissa is obtained as 0.8401. This 0.8401 is a mantissa added with the characteristic 3, bar 3. Therefore log of 0.00692 is equal to bar 3 plus 0.8401. The answer is bar 3.8401. Okay, now solution 4, and the number given is 0.8146. So you can see this here, the characteristics is also again in bar, but we have to add 1 to the nothing, because point after point there is no 0. So we have to add 1 into the 0, that is 1 plus 0 is 1. So it is bar 1 point. Characteristics is bar 1, and mantissa is 81चा 4 मध्ये 6चा मेन डिफरन्स. 81चा 4 मध्ये 6चा मेन डिफरन्स. सो 81चा 4 मध्ये 0.9106 प्लस 6चा मेन डिफरन्स इज 3. So answer is 0.9109. So this answer is mantissa and it is added with the characteristics which is bar 1. So logarithm of 0.8146 is equal to bar 1.9109. So answer is bar 1.9109. Then let us go to the problem number 5, that is 6 into 10 to the power 4. It is again a different type of problems. We can multiply 10 to the power 4. We can split 10 to the power 4 into two parts, 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 1. So let us multiply 6 into 10 to the power 3 to get the answer 6000. So logarithm of 6000 into 10 to the power 1 can be written as log 6000 plus log 10, because log of a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Is one of the property of the logarithm. Using that property I written log 6000 plus log 10. As far as log 6000 is considered, there are 4 digits, decimal digits after the before the point. So 4 minus 1 characteristics is 1. 4 minus 1 characteristics is 3. 3.60 are 0 मध्ये. And log 10 means there are 2 digits before decimal point. So 2 minus 1 1. Characteristics is 1. 1.10चा 0 मध्ये. So mantissa for 6000 is 0.7782, which is added with the 3. So it is 3.7782. And characteristics for 10 is 1, and 1 is added with the mantissa of the 10, that is 0.000. So ultimately it's 1.000. So 3.7782 plus 1.40 equal to 4.7782. So ultimately the answer comes out to be log of 6 into 10 to the power 4 equal to 4.7782. So I hope you understood many things, how to find the logarithm of a number. So let us stop here. Please, I request you to subscribe my channel, make a like and share, and give your valuable comment. Thank you.